if you want to shut down your Samsung Galaxy S25, you have several methods that allow you to do so. So for example, you can swipe on the right side of the phone from the top towards the middle like this. Then in the top right corner, you will find this power button. We can tap on it in order to open the power menu, and then we can press power off in order to once again tap on the power off icon to turn off your device, to shut it down. The other method that allows you to open the power menu is by using the power button and volume down combination. So you can press and hold for like 2 seconds both of these buttons at the same time in order to also open the power menu, and you can go to power off again and then tap on this icon to turn it off. And if you don't have the assistant assigned to the power button, then in that case you can simply press and hold the power button instead of using power button and volume down. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!